Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If this is your first time here, consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button and remembering that notification bell so you'll be reminded when I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. I am so excited because today's video is part of an unconventional craft challenge that's hosted by the beautiful and talented Elena from Blondie Next Door. I was so excited that she invited me to co-host with her. Her channel is so adorable, and I truly do adore her and her projects. I'm going to have her channel linked in the description box below so that you can go and check out some of her really cute projects. She has done such an amazing job, and I love watching her videos. Also, please check out the playlist that will be linked below as well. I'm going to jump into my first DIY. Now, my unconventional items will be these napkin holders. I couldn't think. My napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is create a cute little shelf unit, and I am going to pair them with these Dollar Tree wood pieces. So what I'm going to do first is use some stain that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. The color is golden oak, and I'm going to stain both of these pieces first so I can set them aside. And now what I'm going to do is connect these two napkin holders using some zip ties. I will be using a total of 3 zip ties. I'm going to add 3 on this side, and once I get those 3, I will turn it over and add 3 on the other side. Now, most of these may be considered as hacks because there's not that many steps, but I just absolutely love this challenge because you get the opportunity to use items that you haven't crafted with. Now, I'm cutting off the pieces of the zip ties because I don't need that, and then you can leave it this color, but what I'm going to do is use this spray paint I have here, and I'm going to spray paint it. Now after I get that complete, this is how it looks, and all I have to do now is hot glue these wood pieces to the top and the bottom. Now I will be using some E6000 and some hot glue to attach them because I want to make sure that this little unit is nice and secured. I think this is a quick and easy DIY or hack that you can create to style in any room of your home. I am going to style mine in the bathroom. So what I'm going to do is after I get the piece attached on top, I'm just going to add some weight on it so that it can dry. And once everything dries, what I'm going to do is style a candle on the top of this, and I think this came out so cute, and I love that you have the space under it so that you can store some items. And what I'm going to do is roll up some spare towels to style under there since this will be in the bathroom. I absolutely love how it turned out. Now for the next DIY, I have these 2 funnels from the Dollar Tree automobile section. I have seen many creators use these for planters, and I thought it was a really good idea. Now what I'm going to do is sand down the funnels because I don't like that shiny plastic look, and I'm just roughing it up a little bit. And after I get them both sanded down, I am going to use some of that same texture black spray paint to go over these. So now I don't have that plastic look anymore. Now they have this little piece on the back that has the little hole in it. You can take that off and hot glue this to something so it can lay flat up against the wall. But I'm going with these little hooks because I want mine to be styled on the wall, but I want them to be slanted. So first what I'm going to do is add some of these Dollar Tree ferns, and I am adding 3 bunches to each one of them. So now I'm just going to hang them on the hooks, and I think they came out so cute. I love the textured spray paint because it just gave it a little bit more high-end look. This next one, I'll be using two of these little pumps out of the bathroom section of the Dollar Tree. Now, this will probably be considered a hack. Now, what I'm going to do first is transfer over some vinyl. I printed the words toothpaste and mouthwash. And what I'm going to do is just transfer those words over to the top of both of these pumps. I was so excited to find these in the Dollar Tree because I thought they were really cute as they were, but I definitely wanted to use them for this unconventional challenge and just change them up a little bit. So this one was giving me just a little bit struggle trying to transfer over the words, but now it's done. So what I'm going to do is now transfer over the word mouthwash. Now, once I get that complete from the Dollar Tree, I did pick up some mouthwash and some toothpaste because what I'm going to do is add those into these little pumps. And I thought this was a clean and easy way to have these items in your bathroom. So I'm just going to pour in the mouthwash. And then I'm going to squeeze in 2 tubes of toothpaste. And I did pick these items up from the Dollar Tree. And I think this is just a really cute way to store some mouthwash and toothpaste in your bathroom. Now, what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is for the toothpaste to pump out of the pump. So I'm going to get a little piece of paper towel and I'm just going to show you this is a nice and easy clean way. And I'm going to pull it up so you can see it a little better. And I am actually going to store these in the boys' bathroom. And I'm going to pump out a little mouthwash. And I think this is just so cute. And now for my next DIY. This one is very, very simple. I have two of those soap dishes from the Dollar Tree, and I actually got this little rope out of the section where the dog toys are. I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue just to attach these two soap dishes together from the bottoms. Now what I'm doing is just upgrading one of these soap dishes. I think they already nice looking, but I wanted to make it a little bit more high-end looking. So now once I have those attached, I'm going to cut some of this dog rope. I love the black and white, and that's why I thought I'll pick this up. Plus I was looking for some unconventional items to use. So what I'm going to do is just cut this so that I can attach this around the soap dish. And once I get that hot glue, that is it for this DIY. Very simple, but just a nice little upgrade to the Dollar Tree soap dishes. So this next DIY or hack is very simple. I'm going to use this candy bowl from the Dollar Tree to store some cotton balls in the bathroom. But what I'm going to do is spray paint the lid using that color, and that will be it. So now what I'm going to do is just add in some cotton balls, and I thought spray painting the lid would bring it up a little bit more. And actually you can use this to store in some pods for your laundry room. You can use this for a lot of different items. And I just love the simplicity of it, and I think it came out so cute. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed today's DIYs. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these were your favorite. And what I'm going to do is give you a second look of how they all turned out. And remember, today's video is part of an unconventional challenge that's hosted by my talented friend Elena from the Blondie Next Door. I'm going to have her channel and the playlist linked in the description box below, so you can go and check out and see some amazing projects. And if you're coming over from the playlist or from Elena's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you decide to hang around. Until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.